Okay, when we're talking about factoring, there's a couple different ways you can explore the factors. First of all, it's good to talk about the term factoring, fact, meaning man made or built, right? A factory, right? So something that you are building, and then what you end up with is your product, right? So if you can relate it to the idea of a factory, you're going to build the product, right? So in this case, what I have here is the number 18, a product of 18, right? So let me just confirm that this is 18. Here are my tallies. I'm going to double check. I definitely have 18. Yep. Okay. Here are my tallies. I have my 15, 16, 17, 18. All right. So I have a product of 18. And what I'm going to think about is what are all the different ways I can make this product, right? What are the different ways that I can have even groups that will build this product? So she talks about it as a wall that you can build. So we're talking about the factor, and I'm going to erase this here so I have more space. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, first of all, right, this is why we have place value, right? This is why we group our numbers, so we can't see them clearly when they're like this, but when we organize them into patterns, we can see them. So we're going to start with, well, we can just build it into one group of 18, right? So we know that the first two factors you're always going to start with is just 1, right? And 18, right? These are two, right? So we got it with one group of 18. We've got that built. All right, now we're going to ask the students to explore, well, what are other things, other ways we could bunch it, that we could build this wall in equal groups, right? They've got to be these equal groups. Well, if we put it into groups of 2, would that end up being fairly even? Yep, we could evenly break it up into groups of 2. So you're going to have the product of 2, and then how many of them do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got 2 and 9. Let's see if we can break it up into groups of 3. Would that be able to do that? Would this potentially be? Oh, 3 would be another factor. All right, so that's another way we can build this wall of 18. 3, and how many groups of 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 group of 18. Then we're going to say, okay, well, can we do 4? Could we do 4? Can we do equal groups of 4? No, we can't do equal groups of 4. Well, I don't think we can do equal groups of 5 either, right? Let's check. Let's check. Nope, no equal groups of 5s. Oh, and then we're back to 6. Let's just see if we could put it into groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we can do 6 and 3, right? So you start to, they can explore factors of the set number and find all the factors using these. You can also use these 1 centimeter cubes, which are also kind of a good way to teach area. You could put them and arrange them in such a way that they cover. Area would be the space. She does area is this, and perimeter is this hand gesture, and area is this hand gesture.